Geocaching Underground.
Oh, shit. It works. This deeper than I thought it was. Oh, man.
It's deep.
It looks like right here in this pool, it's deep. But if you can put your foot over into this tunnel, I think you can do that. It's dark as f.
Oh, there we go. I got my flashlight working.
Okay. Oh, shit.
This never crawled. Oh my god.
You got it? Okay.
What the hell?
Alright. Yeah, look at it. Oh, shit.
What?
That spider scared me. Oh my god, there's spiders everywhere. It's farther than I thought it was.
Yeah.
If it's at this manhole cover, I'm gonna be happy though. Maddox, this isn't the manhole cover. This is not the manhole cover. I don't even know where I'm at right now.
Is there like a thing you could look out of?
Yeah. Oh, slippery. Oh, we're inside this fence.
At the DMV?
So that must be the manhole cover.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're inside the retention pond. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's got to be the manhole cover back there then. There's a... Is it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's so many spiders up here.
Oh, damn, it is big. Okay. I hope I brought my pen. All right, I'm gonna bring it back here. All right, let's see. Wow. Oh, that was a slip. Okay, the logbook's in here.
Why so many people with golf balls in there?
I don't know. It's the only thing I'd be interested in though. Railroad crossing.